How to fix Zoom app not opening on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Zoom app not opening on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Zoom and then click on it. And as you see here you will find Zoom application settings, and now just open this one here, disable this one, make sure that it's disabled, and then just go to storage and clear cache, and then force stop and go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, allow all of those, and then just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.